Reviewed the profile of Lead It Africa. I've reviewed the profile of the team, and I know the quality of the members involved. I've had the opportunity to engage Herman and Edupon professionally. I believe that their approach that they use in conducting their sessions is quite different from what other consultants typically use. And so because of that, I decided to bring them, because I believe that our bank, Prudential, needs some sort of a change in direction, and what Lead It Africa provides is quite suitable for us at this point in time.
It's been a very successful day. This is one of the very innovative way of impacting knowledge that we end up teaching ourselves as a group, and that is very genuine and very apt.
Unlike other trainings that we usually attend, this one was insightful, thought-provoking,
very fun.
It's been excellent.
Very interesting.
impactful.
Lovely and very different from the usual meetings.
It's not just passing on knowledge to you, but it's actually drawing some kind of response from you.
Normally we hear coming for sections and it's more of talk. But this time it was more of having fun, talking to one another, and the team spirit was really there for me.
Very engaging, and I like the whole one-on-one sessions, telling people what to do.
The approach was excellent. The teaching and learning tools that were employed by the facilitator, using audio visuals, they were engaging more, drawing participants to actually contribute and be involved in what was being done.
Most of these presentations, you are doing things and you don't even know, you are not aware of how to handle them. And I think it's been excellent.
The facilitators too were on top of their game. They were fantastic.
So we rate him 5/5 because he did marvelously well.
I liked what Herman did by, on the spot, just giving feedback to participants to, as it were, reinforce what we are learning.
The program has been good. It's not ended yet, but it's been fantastic. The feedback I'm getting from my team members is that they had come here expecting there to be a classroom-like training on customer service, sales, etc. But this one has been an approach for them to really examine themselves and then see how they can change their own thought processes and contribute to the development of the bank. They like the approach, they like the style, they like the fun aspect of it.
And then the special thing is that most of these seminars, people sitting and they start sleeping after eating and the rest, but they've all been lively from morning till now.
I truly enjoyed every bit of the program. I liked the serene atmosphere. It made us relax, we're not nervous, we're not tensed, the intermittent music. I like the celebration part as well, where we popped champagne, the small chops and all that.
It's been a very successful program.
What I'm taking with me is the fact that we need to identify that we have to adopt a growth mind strategy. You should be available to accept ideas from your team members. You should be able to accept their feedback on your performance as well.
What I will tell my fellow branch managers is recognition among ourselves, especially for the operation team. We should let them be part of whatever we are doing, and if they realize they are part of the business team, they also try to give us their best.
This is a program that is worth replicating. I can't say that enough. We're going to go to our other departments, parts of the bank, and ensure that we roll it out to all of them. If any organization that seeks change, I believe that the Lead It Africa can assist them with this particular program. It's going higher, and we can only go higher with the sort of approach that this particular program offers. Kudos to Lead It Africa, kudos to Herman, and kudos to Isaac Edupon. I believe that the whole team have come together for us to pull off a great program, and we are very grateful.
I love everything, and I'll recommend more of that for us.